My name is Rochelle Yates. I am with eXp Realty NWA branch here in beautiful Northwest Arkansas. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to hit the like, please subscribe, and ring the bell so you can be the first to know about Northwest Arkansas real estate and life. I will be posting videos every week to show you what it's like to live here in beautiful Northwest Arkansas. I will be doing home tours of new constructions in the Bentonville, Centerton, and Benton County area, and posting about upcoming events and posting after the event so you can see how much fun we had. I'll also be showing you around the area of some of the things that you can do here. It doesn't matter if you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, 9 months, or anywhere in between or beyond that you're thinking about moving to here in beautiful Northwest Arkansas, or if you already live here and you want to find another home and sell yours, I do that also. You can contact me by phone, call, text, or email, or if you scan the QR code in the banner, that will give you my calendar, and you can schedule time where we can talk. Today we are in beautiful Magnolia Landing. This is a Schubert Mitchell subdivision on the south side of Centerton. It is about 2 miles north of XNA Airport, and it's another one of those neighborhoods that you can look it up. It could be Bentonville, it could be Centerton, either one, because the lines blur. But this home is brought to us by Schubert Mitchell Realty. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Magnolia Landing in Centerton, featuring a beautiful new construction home by Schubert Mitchell Homes. If you're looking for modern design, high ceilings, and a prime location near Bentonville and XNA Airport, you're going to love this one. Stay tuned till the end because I'll show details about the builder incentives available on this home. This home offers a brick and rock exterior with great curb appeal, a clean architectural look, and a large covered back patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. This home has 1,760 square feet. It is listed with Schubert Mitchell Realty, and I thank them for letting me show you this home. As you walk in, you immediately notice the 10-foot ceilings in the entryway, kitchen, and living area, and even the primary bedroom, giving this home the feel of a much larger floor plan. The kitchen features quartz countertops, gas range, microwave, pantry, LED lighting, and plenty of prep space. It opens seamlessly into the living room and dining areas, making it ideal for everyday living and hosting. Has a nice walk-in pantry. This is a darker stainless steel than I'm used to seeing. That's nice. Has a nice big 4-burner with a griddle in the middle. Nice big large windows. You can see the sun's going down here. The primary suite is designed for comfort with elevated ceilings, dual vanities, a garden tub, and a spacious walk-in closet. A true retreat at the end of the day. "10-foot ceilings in a bedroom, that's rare." This bathroom is huge. It has hers and his vanities. Has the toilet closet. I forgot to turn the light on in there. With storage above. Nice big deep tub. And the shower. Here's the large master closet. It is huge. show you the angle from the other room. It is huge, plenty of storage space. Now we are in the washer and dryer room. Plenty of space there. And the secondary bedrooms has this layout offers flexibility for guests, family, or a home office. There's no carpet in here, which is nice. These are nice wood floors. Nice big closet. And here's the second bath. It's a pretty deep tub. The vent comes on when you turn the light on. I would rather it be separate myself. And then here's the linen closet. And then the other bedroom that faces the front of the home. Nice big almost floor to ceiling windows. That's something I noticed in Schubert Mitchell right away when they started their first subdivision here years ago. Okay, then coming across here we have another closet. And the garage. It's huge. And attic access. And then that's the heater, hot water tank there, and the breaker boxes over there. Step outside to the large covered patio, perfect for morning coffee, grilling, or unwinding in the evenings. The yard is not fenced at this time, but that's not something that couldn't be done before you move in. It's going to be a pretty big yard. And here is the back of the house. Now let's talk incentives. Builder promotions may be available on this home that could be reduce your costly closing costs or monthly payment depending on current offers. For the most up-to-date pricing and incentive details, reach out to me directly. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and remember to like, subscribe, and follow for more home tours here in Bentonville and Centerton, Northwest Arkansas, Benton County area. And it doesn't matter if you're moving in 9 days, 9 months, 90 days, anywhere in between or beyond. I'd be happy to help you find your next home here in beautiful Northwest Arkansas. See you next tour.